Good morning, guys. Happy last day of April. It is Thursday. That means that we have a class meeting today at 10 o'clock for science. Today's worksheet is focusing on multiplication word problems. Let's look at problem 1. It says Cooper has 9 bags of gummy worms. Each bag contains 7 gummies. How many worms does he have in all? So I have 9 bags. So we can go and we can do 9 by 7. Or you can always go and you can draw your groups. You'd have 9 groups, so that's 3, 6, and now I have 9. And then you could go and you could put your 7 dots in them. You could just put the number 7 and you could count 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, 49, 56, and 63. You could draw a tape diagram, you could make an array, whatever you need to do to solve. Let's look at problem 2. Ronald goes bug hunting in his backyard. He places 3 bugs in a jar. If he has 8 jars of bugs, how fast will Miss Hakelberger run away screaming? Just kidding, that's not what the problem says. If he has 8 jars of bugs, how many bugs does he have? So here we have 3 bugs per jar. He has a problem that's 3 groups, or 3 bugs in 8 jars. So we would do 3 times 8. You can count by your 3s or you can count by your 8s, whatever is more convenient. I would say you could count by 8 because it's fewer counts and go 8, 16, 24. 8, 16, 24. So he's got 24 bugs. As long as his bugs stay in his jar, all is well. All right, problem number 3. Dory is making beaded bracelets and decides to use 10 beads on each one. She makes a bracelet for Frankie, Lauren, and Camilla. How many beads will she need? So let's see, she's making bracelets for 1, 2, 3 people because Frankie, Lauren, and Camilla are 3 people. And she needs 10 beads per bracelet. So for one person, she'd use 10, for another person, she'd use 10, and for the third person, she'd use 10 more. So if I count by 10 3 times, my answer will be 30. She's going to need 30 beads to make her little bracelets. All right, problem number 4. Elena and Jamie are making glow sticks. They decide to put 2 glow sticks in each bag. If they give the bags to 9 friends, how many glow sticks will they need to make? So 2 glow sticks, there's 9 bags. So again, we could go and we could just do 2 big ones right here, and we could put 9 dots. We go 1, 2, 3. Please keep them organized. 4, 5, 6. Because remember, when we go and we put them helter-skelter, it's so much harder to count. See how I have nice, pretty rows? If you're doing this strategy, they need to be neat. Please don't go in and be like, because that's super hard to count. They need to be organized, or else we're going to have counting errors. So here's one group of 9. I'm making my second group of 9. So 9. We know that's 9. If you're not comfortable doing 9 and 9, you can always count on. So 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. All right, problem 5. Aaliyah and Aaliyah bake brownies for the class and put them in containers. If they put 6 brownies in each container and they bring 7 containers, how many brownies are there? So we've got 6 brownies in a container, and we have 7 containers holding 6 brownies. So we know it's 6 times 7. You could go and you could do 7 groups of 6. You can do 6 groups of 7, whichever way you want to go and set this up. So if you are more comfortable making an array, we can go 6 right here. I'm going to run out of room. I'm going to come back to top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It's a slightly curvy array. 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Let me see, because I think that's going to be too hard to tell. I need to space my dots a little better. Let me come over here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. There we go. And then we would come across and do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. And then you would want to come in and you'd want to complete your array by adding more dots each time. Hold on, something looks off with this row. Let me count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Nope, that was good. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. It's very difficult to get an array to look pretty on the computer, unfortunately. So they're gonna be a little crooked. The spacing isn't gonna be quite as nice as what we like in school. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. And now if I were to count each one of my 7 rows of 6, I would find that I have 42 dots. All right. Justin's pockets are full of bouncy balls. If he has 5 pockets and hides 8 bouncy balls in each one, how long will it take for me to take his bouncy balls? Just kidding. It says how many will fall if he drops them. So we have 5 pockets. We have 8 bouncy balls hidden in each pocket. So that's 5 times 8. So again, we could go and we could do 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 and count by 8. We can go 8, 16, 24, 32, and 40. You could also make an array or use just the count method and you're just ticking off your 8s. Whatever works best for you to solve these. All right, guys, I'll see you at our class meeting.